With BrandBay, you now have a place to keep all your brand assets secure, organized, and easily shareable online. Intelligently store your brand's images, videos, files, colors, fonts, links, notes, code snippets, and more. Once you have created your perfect layout, share each asset or your entire brand kit with your team, your clients, or anyone. You can even embed your brand kit on your website or a client's website for a full brand library experience that you tailor for each brand you manage. BrandBay lets you have instant access to your brands and assets regardless of your workflow. Use your BrandBay account in your browser, download the browser extension, and even use the desktop app so that you can have your brand assets available within a moment. In these short, quick videos, you will learn how to leverage BrandBay so you can gain efficiency, increase productivity, save time and money, collaborate with your team, and build out a high-quality brand library that can help you and your clients stay organized and save time in your workflow.